Salut, consoeurs et confrères, sisters and brothers. On behalf of 570,000 public employees represented by CUPE, know this, you don't stand alone, we stand with you till you get a fair collective agreement. We're not far from Parliament Hill, and we need to raise our voices and say to the Harper government, you turn your back on childcare. You turn your back on First Nations and the Kelowna Accord. You turn your back on the Kyoto Accord. You won't turn your back on federal employees. Give them a raise. I also say to the Harper government as they get ready to take a 3 or 4 month summer break, they've got time last week in our name to negotiate a free trade agreement with Colombia, a state where if people gather like we're doing today, trade union leaders get shot. And I say to Stephen Harper, shame on you for the people of Canada signing that agreement. You should not have time to negotiate with dictatorships. Negotiate with your own employees. Give them a fair agreement. And on behalf of the thousands of municipal employees, school board employees, healthcare workers that we're privileged to represent, we have negotiated over 2,000 agreements in the last 2 years. No concessions, wage increases, respect for public employees. And if it's good enough for public employees in the municipal sector, the school board sector, the healthcare sector to get a decent raise, it's damn well good enough for federal employees to get a good raise. So I say, sisters and brothers, we have to raise up our voices, and your employer needs to know it's not just PSAC members demanding fairness. It's our entire movement. If they attack one of us and roll back wages or disrespect us at bargaining tables, they attack all of us. Our members get that. So they need to hear our voices, and I ask you a couple of questions. Can we negotiate a good and collective agreement by sticking together? Yes, we can! Yes, we can! Yes, we can! Yes, we can! Okay, one more question. We want a collective agreement, and we don't want to wait any longer. We want a contract, and we want it now. What do we want? When do we want it?